Hi there, and greetings to everyone tuning in. Today, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy way to allow microphone access in the Vivaldi browser. Whether you're trying to join a video call or use voice features on a website, this guide will help you set it up properly. First, open your Vivaldi browser. Next, move your mouse to the top left corner of the window. Click the Vivaldi menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll down. Click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down the main area until you find the section labeled Website Permissions. Under Website Permissions, find and click on Microphone. Finally, change the setting from Block to Ask. This means websites will prompt you for permission instead of being blocked automatically. That's all you need to do to enable microphone access in Vivaldi. If this helped, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with others.